In this video, I'm going to show how to change ChatGPT writing style. So first of all, open chat.openai.com. And in the message box, I'm going to type, write me a 500-word article about how to make money online. And press enter. So ChatGPT will write me a 500-word article about this. So let's see, what does it generate. So I'm going to click stop generating, and now we got our article, and you can see the style of article writing. It is saying the internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and earn, etc., etc. So now I am going to change the writing style. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use some prompts. So click on the edit button, and I'm going to write me a 500-word article about how to make money online in casual way, and press save and submit. Now you will see the way ChatGPT is writing the article has changed. Also, you can try another prompt like in Forbes, or you can add BBC Way. That way, they will try to generate the article same as Forbes or BBC style, and click submit. So as you can see, the writing style has been changed. Now let's see, you want to change the way as funny way. So I'm going to write in funny way. As you can see, it has starting to generate an article with funny words. As you can see, it is saying, grab your virtual cowboy hats and settle up, because you are about to embark on a hilarious journey through the digital wild waste. And you can see it saying, embrace your inner internet cowboy. So this is certainly a funny way to write. So now let's see if I want to make it in dramatic way. Now you can see it's saying, unleashing the power of digital realm, how to make money online in a world teeming with possibilities of boundless potential dialogue, of making money online back onto all who dare to team. Behind every screen lies a great way to a fast. So you can see it is saying it has started to write like a dramatic way. This way you can just write and change your writing style. You can see step into virtual stage, where the certain rises upon the first act of this grand production. The secret lies in finding. I think you get the point. The way you change your prompt here in dramatic way, in casual way, or in any other way, same way ChatGPT will change its writing. So basically, it's up to your prompt the way you want ChatGPT to write. This will change the style of the writing. So let's try another one now. I will try in a sad way. So obviously, how to make money online should not be a said way, but you get the point. You can change your title according to needs. It can be a said article, and just you need to write in this way, in a said way. So let's see, what does it generate. Yes, as you can see. In today's interconnected world, the allure of making money online has captured that, instead of countless individuals seeking financial freedom. However, beneath the shiny facade of intent, success to the darker truth. So as you can see, it has already started generating some sad article. So you just need to change your title here according to your need. And you will also need to change your prompt here, and this will generate this article. Now the question is, how do you make sure that this is not AI generated content? So to do that, I will be writing another article. Write me 500-word article about history of Rome in dramatic way. You can change your, obviously you can change your title here in the prompt here. You can use any other prompt 7, submit. So you can see in the analysis of time, there is a city that stands estimate to grandeur and drama. Our tale begins the 8th century BC. So basically, ChatGPT is writing a dramatic article. So I'm going to stop the response and I'm going to copy this. Now, if you want to change the way ChatGPT is writing and don't want to get caught by AI writing, we need to simply go to Quillbot. And here we will just paste the article. So this is our article, and it's saying that as a free account, you can't paraphrase more than 125 words. So just make sure you got an account. So I'm going to put this one and click on paraphrase. Now you can see it has changed the way of writing, and this will just, and now it won't be detected in AI detector. And now you can see Quillbot has changed the way ChangeBit has written. And this way, no one can say that it is written by AI content. It can be totally considered as a human written content. And this way, you can change the way of writing in ChatGPT. So basically, to recap the video, if you want to change the ChatGPT writing style, simply change the prompts like write in casual way, write like BBC or Forbes journalists, write like my university teacher. But keep in mind, you need to write the prompt according to your topics. You can't just write me a 500 words article about affiliate marketing in a sad way. Also, you can use text samples to teach ChatGPT your style. Suppose you don't have anything published, or that for some reason ChatGPT doesn't know who you are. What then? In this case, you can provide a sample of your own writing and ask ChatGPT to copy the style. So basically, you will feed your own writing and ask ChatGPT to copy that style. The more complex model obviously has a better time adding the more subtle parts of the requests into the text output. Before you get all excited and start generating a whole bunch of text in your own style, here are a few things you should know. ChatGPT can make mistakes, so you better fact check and verify everything it says. You can use Bing AI Chat to double check for accuracy and find sources. While ChatGPT can mimic your style and save you time, you'll still need to do some editing to make it exactly how you want it. Remember, whatever you publish under your name is your responsibility. ChatGPT is a helpful writing tool, but it's not a substitute for your own writing. It's there to speed up your workflow and improve your writing quality. If you find some prompts that work really well for you, make sure to save them somewhere other than ChatGPT so you don't lose them. So this is how you can change ChatGPT writing style. Thank you for watching.